This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 46 of building Marvel's Infinity Gauntlet, the Power Stone. The stone with all the power, that's what we're going to be doing today. Fitting into its housing and indeed preparing it to fit onto the finger. So, looking at the magazine first, the gems in danger. They are danger, but yeah, obviously they sort of protect themselves by killing everybody as far as I'm aware. There we go. Look at all of those. So yes, this is what we're doing, the Power Stone Part 2. Got to put the circuit into the frame, fit the stone into the frame, fit the brackets and batteries into the frame, and then fit the frame into the hand, just like that. And that's that. Good, looking good. I'm excited to do that. Then we've only got 2 more stones to do after this, haven't we? So we've done one finger, the main back one, the thumb. This is the other finger. 2 more fingers to go. Looking good. Black Bolt. King of Attilan. Sounds like a shop. Don't know about him. Don't know about Greg Pack either. That's not a name that's sounded familiar to me at all. But I'm sure it's familiar to at least one of you. So let me know in the comments if you know any of the artists that I've mentioned. Let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this Power Stone fitted. I won't wave because it's not by time yet. It's just switching out to the other thing time. Okay, first things first. From last time, we've got this stone and its housing, which only goes in one way around because they're little cutouts. You'd have it the right way around. In fact, it goes that way around, but we don't need that yet. What we do need is the main housing piece, the electronics, which will be going into there. Again, that will only go one way round. And it's going to be that way round, so the switch is closer to the middle, I believe. That looks right for in there as well. Yep, all good stuff. So that goes in there. 2 of these screws will hold that in place. If I can open the packet of screws. We're going to need a few of these. I might use a slightly smaller screwdriver as well, because this is all up close and personal stuff. So we've got 2 screws to put in here. This is the screwdriver that doesn't really work as a magnet in that. Steal my magnets off my other screwdriver. To give this the power of magnetism. Or not, as the case may be. Yeah, there we go. So we've got 2 screw holes to go through and hold this in place. One down there. And one on the other opposite corner. Up the top there. And actually, that screwdriver's not working very well on those screws. So yeah, the bigger one is definitely the way to go, I think. In there. Get in there. Up this other side. If I can get the screwdriver onto the end of the screw. Go. That's that. This then fits onto there, but the 2 springs go on it first. Is that the 2 springs there? One of my springs seems to have sprung. Oh, it is 2 springs attached together. They like going together. Those unattached from each other. Like so. They will go over those posts. Like that. And that then goes over there. Like that, not like that. But the other way around. It goes onto there. Like that. And that feels like that's activating a thing. So the screws top and bottom of this hold that together. That is too tight to fit in there. So we'll have to go down to the smaller screwdriver. Just be careful so we don't slip. One there and that one there. Now before I tighten these up fully, I'm going to slip the batteries in and make sure it works. Let's get these out. Come on, out you come. One. At least one. There we go, that's the second one. And hopefully the third one. There it is. These need to go in there. Obviously they go in one way round. Like that. That should be that. So that, oh, I thought it was the red one. It's not, it's the purple one. Well, the red one was the power stone. Could be, well, obviously I am wrong. Because, you know, they know what they're doing much better than I do. Red one, is that the mind? I've already got the red one. I'm completely losing track now of what's what. But, there we go. I do need to tighten those up a bit more. We need to get these on there. Hold those magnets secure in place. Then I'll put that in over the batteries, and then we'll come back and fit these to the huge gauntlet. So let me get all that prepped, and I'll see you in a moment. So there we have that all assembled, installed, and very, very purple. We have already got red. Look, there's red there. I thought that was the one we're fitting, but we're doing this one for the index finger. It's going to slip in there like so, but because it's just going to fall out if we do that, we need to fix it magnetically like all of the others. Now that one clips in place, and it's done with these two magnets being fitted into the holes in there. So that just goes in like that, and that one in that side there. It's actually, as well as being, you know, a nice way of doing it, holding it in place with magnets, it covers over a couple of the screw holes as well, probably one in each finger to help hold that together. So yeah, let's get that in there. Going to be about there. I will, as ever, finish this off camera, because you don't need to watch me doing all of the little detaily bits. Unless you'd like me to see me do all the little detaily bits, leave a comment, let me know. It's always nice to leave comments and interact anyway. YouTube's algorithm likes it when people comment. So leave a comment. Would you like me to do more on camera? There are certain limitations at the moment with what I can and can't do on camera anyway, but if you want to see everything, then let me know. So that's going to do that, and then that will hold in place magnetically. And then we've got most of the stones done. Big yellow one. If you push it harder, it stays on. Red and purple. I do like that purple, actually. That's very nice. Green one on the thumb, which obviously I haven't got attached at the moment. But yeah, there's two more to go. What is it? There's blue and another colour. Green's there. Not yellow. Blue and another colour. Let me know what the other colour is as well. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. That's another pack, another month done. So I shall see you for more partworks in between. But another one of these next month, when we're probably starting on another finger. I know we've still got more of this gauntlet thing to do. I hope we're not attaching that quite yet. Although we can, I don't know. It's going to make it very unwieldy having the big wrist bit fitted, but we'll see. Because the big wrist bit's quite big and wristy. Look, so that's going to go on there. Plus, obviously, then we've got the fingers to go on that. It's huge, isn't it? It's massive. It's quite unrealistically massive. But that's it for now. I shall see you for more very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.